Hi everyone, this is Hasnain Ali, and today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Twilio number with Vapi. You need to have account one of your phone number purchased here in Twilio. The Twilio give you $15 free in your when you have an account there, and you can buy more by visiting the phone numbers. For example, if I click on manage and click on active numbers here, you can see how many numbers I have activated here. And I click on buy number and I can easily buy a number using Twilio account. Right now I am in my trial version, so I cannot buy more, but you can buy as much as you want. So after you have bought your number, first of all, you need to go to your dashboard account dashboard. Once you are in your dashboard, you need these two things, SID and Auth, and it's your phone number that you want to connect on your Webby account. So inside Webby, let me show you, you need to click on phone numbers and then here you need to click on create phone number because I have some other phone number here. You will see a button inside here in the set center. You can click on create phone number and then import Twilio. Here you need to add your number, be my phone number, and I will paste it here. And then you need to have SID, copy paste here the SID and your auth token. So you can add your auth token here. After that, you need to give any label for that phone number so you can identify what this is for and SMS enabled or not. So for now, it's not enabled, and I will click on import from Twilio. So now I can see the number has been imported. If I click on phone numbers again and try to refresh it, you might see, yes, I can see my number here, and ABC is the name I have given to this number. Inside here, there are multiple settings. I will not go everything, but the most important thing is to this number. So if someone is calling on this number, which assistant will pick up the call? So I have few created. I have created few assistant, for example, dental assistant, and this is on my another tutorial where I showed how we can create the calling agent for dentists. So you can check that. So if I save it and try to test it out or maybe call on this number, the dental assistant will pick up the call and respond to the things we have set there. So that's a short video. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments or send on my email. I would be happy to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon.